I just realized that you couldn't see my hair very well after I replayed it. So let me turn around again. Um, if you've never watched any of my videos before, you may not know about my hair structure and the struggles that I've gone through. So I would say go back and review some of my videos, but you probably won't. So I'll just tell you now. So right here, this area, the whole reason I locked my hair is because it fell out a few years ago. I think it's probably been 5 years since it originally fell out, through some product I was using and all of that. But anyway, so after a few years, probably, well, right at about 2017, I just decided that the only way to get it to grow and stay was to lock my hair up because it would grow back, but then it would fall back out. So it'll never be full right here. And the whole purpose of locking my hair was to wear it up, like buns and all that kind of stuff, but also trying to protect the edges that I have left. But it did grow in quite nicely for what it is. I do have a few patches of hair that are coming in on their own from the scalp, so I'm ecstatic about that. But it'll never be like truly full like it is, in the front and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's why the top looks the way it does. And of course, I have a lot of gray and I use henna, so it's not as dark and easy to see all of the hair strands. But anyway, because I'll just keep going. I was going to turn around so you can see the actual length of the back. So, see, hopefully this will do that. So, yeah. Mhm. So this is my hair. You sitting up straight. This is my hair. All right.